obuyiplanile ngalabantu lapho yini ocabanga ukuthi njengoba bekonile nje this year this is what I want, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do. Ngoba as a human being you have to be unyatheleke, but lo muntu okunyathelile, who is this person? But what I'm going to tell you is that labantu abakonile, don't take it as a joke, labantu abakonile, never make a mistake to go forgive your enemy. Kunabantu abakonile who are not your enemies, abakonile nje, but kunesitha sakho esinaso sikonile. And these people, they can come to you and beg for forgiveness, but making a peace with your enemy does not convert into your friend. Your enemy is always your enemy. Lalela, ungakhohliseki. Umuntu ongakuthandi, akakuthandi ngento oyenzayo, akakuthandi ngegama lakho, akakuthandi even indawo ohlala kuyona. Uthi lapho kuhlala izinja lapho, khona nomduli lapho. Yabo, because when uhlala lapho, and thereafter angifuni uyenzeke imistake ukuthi umuntu okonile but uyisitha. Cut it off. Cut it off, cut it off, cut it off. Ngoba isitha sakho, listen to me carefully. Isitha sakho uma sixolisa, I mean your enemy. If he begs for forgiveness, your enemy, he's not begging for forgiveness. Ufuna indlela yokungena ozoyemukela wena. And thereafter, you'll put your guards down. And he or she will take you down. Believe you me. Uyabona njoba seke naba ne distance nalo mama lo. Senihlukene nalo mama lo. And now usethi uyabona amaphutha akhe. Ngoba sebembonisile. Usethi uyabona amaphutha akhe. And ucela uhlale phansi sikhulume. She is your enemy. She's not your family member. She's your enemy. She has tried ukuthi akuthengele abantu bakudubule baconfess labo bantu. She tried to poison you ukudla kwakhona kwadliwa ingane emaid. Yashona lo ngane emaid. Naxabana nahlukana because we're trying to kill me twice. And now you are coming with the mentality ukuthi we are forgiving that person. That person will hit you so hard. It will hit you so hard. Ngoba into edala uthaxolise ufuna indlela yokusondela kuwena. And thereafter we'll put you down on permanent basis. You'll be wiped up completely to the surface of the earth because